Today we are going to talk about ghosting in Maya. I have created a basic scene of bouncing ball and just two bounce, and I clean the graph. This is just basic, nothing else is much done. Let's check out the ghosting. By default you stays in modeling. You need to switch to animation tab. You click on here and animation. If you press F4 you can switch to animation tab as well. As soon as you switch to animation, your menu option changes. So here your new option comes visualize. You go to visualize, then you get three options: ghost selected, unghost selected, unghost all. If you have multiple ghosts, you can unghost all at once. So we're going to check ghost selected. You need to go to the option box of ghost selected. Okay, I'll just reset everything. So this is going to be your default. So you just select the ball or anything you're working with, apply. So what happens? It's creating few frames ahead and few frames back. You see what's happening ahead, what's happening in the back. It's really nice to check your animation and judge what's going on. So you can see, let's check the other settings. So what we're going to do now, we're going to unghost now, unghost selected. So now we have custom frames, custom frame steps. We are not going to check custom key steps. I check that, it's pretty useless right now. Keyframes, so we're going to use these four. So if we just checked global preferences, it creating 1 2 3 frame back and 3 frame ahead. To 3 frame animation, what's the 3 frame animation ahead and what's the 3 frame animation back? If you go to 28, so next, so you can see the previous 3 frame animation and the 3 frame ahead. So it's, so we can increase that. So we go to custom frames. Before that we need to unghost. Yeah, now here it is, custom frame 1 10 20. It creates the ghost of particular frame you want. Let's say I want to keep my first frame ghost, I want to keep the one hitting at 12, so I do the second is 12, and I want the end frame which is 40. What else? Maybe nothing else. So let's create apply. So it created a ghost for the frames you entered. So whatever the scene you want to work, you want to keep a reminder like, yes, my ball dropped from here, it hit the ground, I don't need it. Then I need 20 as a ghost, then I need 34 as well as a ghost. So let's create a new ghost. 1 20 34, apply. So you can see the height is not really decreasing here, right, at the frame of 20. So I can do that. As soon as I change, the ghost updates as well. So this is nice. Now you can see my jump is reduced, but here it's not reducing again. It should be like this. So you can use it in a lot of different ways. Okay, so let's check the other options. First we need to unghost. Now the next option is custom frame steps. Let's go to that. So it's telling you how many custom frame you want to see before and after. So let's say I want to see good number of frames before and after as well. Let's apply 10 10. What you see, you're seeing 10 frame of animation before and 10 frame of animation in the back. Now you can really see the curve. So now you there is another thing you notice, this is going way too much than compared to this. If I just adjust this, yeah, it's improving. Now it's properly in the center of this jump. I adjust this curve is going good. Even if you want, you can increase the curve like this, I added a key, so let's avoid adding keys right now. This much is pretty much good. Now this, you can see this height looks more. I'll just reduce it. Okay, so let's check out the next. We're going to skip the custom key steps. Okay, and there is another thing, step key. This is one, what it does, let's unghost now. I'll increase it to the 5, let's say 3. 5 is too much. Let's start with the 2 and apply. So you can see the number of display frames back and forth is increased. It's showing 20 frame of animation, but only 10 frames, skipping 1 frame. Yeah, so you can say it's skipping 1 frame. So if I increase it to the 5, and let's do it 3, so it will show multiple of 5 frames, sorry, multiple of 3 frames in every 5 frame gap. Let's apply. So this is what the animation after 5 frame, and this is what after that 5 frame, and this is what after 5 frame. Then same goes for the back. Okay, let's move to the next. Next is keyframes. Before doing that, we just unghost. What does keyframe does? Let's apply. Keyframe just basically shows all the keyframe animation, all the keyframes in my scene. So what I feel right now, this can go a little far, so I just update it. It also updates the animation. It's really nice. It maybe can go higher and it can go a little lower, so you can see all your keyframes and you can judge. Like, you don't really have to go to graph editor and check every time the height of every ball like we do this. So once you're done with your final, you can just smooth the graph at the end. Okay guys, that's it for today. We will meet again. Thanks for joining.